Henry Extra.
Another one. Another one. There we go. Hey, what's up guys? Jacob Family here, bringing you our Wonder of the Seas cruise vlog series.
Yeah.
So we're on the inaugural Wonder of the Seas cruise. We are here in Labadee, Haiti. If you saw the last video, you saw us hit the beach there.
Yep.
And that's about it. We didn't bring you a whole bunch of information because we just kind of were chilling. But now we're back on the ship, back up in our balcony room. And that right over there is the beach where we were at.
Nelly Beach. Yeah.
Nelly's Beach. So now
we're gonna take advantage of this ship.
Being emptier, hopefully.
Yep. We're gonna go to
El Loco Fresh.
El Loco Fresh. I don't want to say the wrong thing.
Yes, get the wrong cruise line. Yeah, because the restaurant's on the
Opened
island.
at noon.
Yeah, they opened at noon.
And we were already done. We were on there forever.
Yeah, we got off first thing this morning.
Yeah.
We were there for what?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock? Yeah.
Oh, 11.
11, yeah. So 3 hours in the sun. It was hot.
Yeah, it's hot. We want to go swimming.
But first, we gotta get some lunch.
Yep.
So let's do that.
Bye. Oh, that's close. Oh no. Oh well.
Oh well, we'll take it.
We got the one we wanted.
All right, you got another one. Alex will be so happy. Yay! This one
You just cost
angry.
us $3.50 each.
Yeah, so we got one for, well, the other one was a $2.50 plate.
Oh, okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, this is cool.
Yeah. All right.
Oh, okay. Should send them a little
Huh?
message.
So you got nachos,
Chicken quesadilla and just some rice.
and I got chicken quesadilla. I got a burrito, beef burrito, and nachos.
And this is a chocolate tres leche. Looks delicious.
Yep. We got some house lemonade.
Yep.
That was up there. And you have your Minute Maid lemonade.
Yep.
So look close. You can see there are some beans in the meat that they have for the nachos. How's that guac? I did not get any. Okay, is it good? So here's what we got. I just cut it. So it is grilled. This is what you're looking at, what's inside of it. So we got rice, beef, cheese. Yeah, that looks good. Everything looks-
Quesadilla is good.
Yeah, quesadilla's good? Yeah, so there's the quesadilla as well. All right, we're gonna dive into this stuff and then find a place in the pool.
Yes.
Or near the pool, I
Yes.
should say.
Right.
Not in, well, we're going to pool.
We're going in the pool.
All right, let's eat this lunch. That was a delicious dinner. We are off to
Lunch?
find lunch. All right, that was a delicious lunch, and now we're off to find a place by the pool so we can see we got a good vantage point from up here.
Which side do we want?
Well, this is the smoker side over here, this
Okay.
pool.
Well,
They're right under us here.
whatever side then.
So,
I don't really care. I need a bathroom and some sun.
well, the bathroom's right there.
See?
Right there. And, I mean, 5 years ago, 6 years, how many? What it was? 8 years ago? 8 years ago, we'd have been there.
Yeah.
We smoked for 20 years. Not no more though. Kick that. That was tough. But we would have been there.
Right.
All right, so where would you like to sit? I don't want to sit in the sun,
Oh.
but there's a woman's bathroom right here. You sit up here.
I mean, I want some sun though.
Okay, so you can go over here.
But I want to be in the pool too.
I don't know.
Or do you want to go in the solarium?
Do you want to?
We can.
I didn't even think of that.
Pool, right?
Sure.
Okay.
I don't know if it's really a pool. It's more like just sitting in.
I thought there was a pool.
Was there a pool in there?
I thought so.
Okay.
I think.
Well, let's do that. Let's go see what they got going. Let's head to the Solarium. All right, we are here in the Solarium. We're probably gonna sit over there.
Yeah, in the pool.
In the pool.
The sit pool.
The sit pool, yeah. No splashing in that one. All right, well, we're gonna chill here in the Solarium for a little while. Yeah. Okay, we are back in the room, obviously. I think we're just going to sit right here and do the same thing, enjoy the balcony and the view. I mean, come on, perfect. So we're going to enjoy it here from the quiet of the balcony.
Got a couple drinks.
Yes, we did. We got these Blue Waves. This is the drink of the day. Vodka, pineapple juice, and blue curacao and club soda. So yeah, so we got a couple of those. Here, we put them like this. Here, this. Here. Grab another one. Here. All right. Perfect. Cheers. Okay, what time we got now?
3:38.
3:38. We hung out on the balcony there for a while.
Yep.
It was nice. But now we've heard a rumor that there may have been some flooding on the promenade.
Yeah, when we got back on the ship.
And we noticed the elevator was locked for the fifth deck. So we heard the sprinkler systems may have went off. Don't know if that was a
There
bug.
was a malfunction, I heard.
Okay. We need some hairspray.
Yeah.
I want to get my ship, which I have to buy a big one because it's the only one I have. And it gives us a chance to go down there and be nosy.
All right.
So that's what we're going to do. There
All
we
right.
go.
Let's see.
Here we go. Moment of truth. 5. Hey,
Hey, it's working.
it lit up. Now that was how long ago?
Couple hours.
A couple hours ago. If they got that cleaned up, because we saw some pictures, it looked like a monsoon. Wow, look at that. Like nothing happened.
I don't know if it was like in a certain area.
It's like nothing happened. All right, let's go grab a drink. You should grab a drink too. Is it open?
Okay.
Open bar? All right, let's grab a drink. All right, we got the drinks. You got a margarita, right? Mm-hmm. Got the cranberry. Now, you're feeling the carpet, and it is still damp.
It is wet.
It's wet. But everything else, it looks like nothing happened. If I can download one of the pictures that we saw, I'm gonna put it in right now, and you can see how bad that was.
This is unprecedented. The staff doesn't know what's going on.
So now they're taking up this wall under there. I guess they were cleaning up all the water. Look at that thing.
That's crazy.
Look at the car because that was
Yeah,
like.
look at the car. Dry everything up. That's impressive.
Oh, look at it.
Yeah. And it looks like it's been waxed. Oh, I'm sure it's wet, but you can't tell.
Right.
All right, well, what do you want to do? You go to Bionic Bar?
Let's go sit down.
You want to sit in the Bionic Bar?
Yeah, let's do that. Pizza smells
So here we go. So we need to put our C-Pass over here. Please type in your birth year. Oh, man. Really? Oh, here we go. Business is all out there.
Old.
Old.
It's like, you're too old.
Let's see, I don't want to create a drink. Let's see what we got here. Let's look at their signature drink. Blue Sky Margarita. Optic Kamikaze. Wow. This is cool. Bionic Bahama Mama. Melon Ball. You know what? I want. Let's do a search. We're gonna get. Can we change? I don't want absolute.
I don't know. Is there an edit?
Edit. 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 I don't really want Beefeater either. I should do this because this is really. Let's go back. Let's look at Cape. They don't call it Cape Cod. Let's see. All right, I'm about to make it. Menu. My drinks. Create a new drink. All right, tap the button, dragging in some ingredients. All right, we want some ice. Can we shake it?
Shake it.
Shake it. All right, let's get some mixers. Absolutely.
Yes.
Can we make it bent more?
Oh, there. One.
Oh, they limit you to one. And then a mixer. Let's say some cranberry. A garnish. Need a lime. Can I add some more vodka? More. 2 parts vodka. There we go.
Really, man?
We figured it out now. Can we make it 3? Oh, look at that.
Don't do that.
Huh?
No.
No?
Come on, man.
All right. Less. Because I'm going to get in trouble.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll get some mixer. Cranberry. There we go. Oh, that's good. 2. We got a double. All right, let's add to the cart.
Double.
We're going to call this Jason's drink. So that'll be saved in my thing, and then I can come back and get that whenever I want.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. All right, check out. It's in the order. And then order sent.
How do you know when yours
Says estimated 3-track drink production.
5 minutes.
All right, estimated waiting time is 5 minutes. Check your drink's progress on the screen. This is cool. All right. That gives me 5 minutes to drink this one.
Yeah.
At least I got some to have while I wait.
Right. Right.
It's a good idea. Oh, we're at 3 minutes.
Yeah, that was a quick 2 minutes.
All right, so if we look at the board up here, it does show. Can we see that with all the reflections? But it does tell you.
Here's Jason's drink queued.
Oh yeah, mine's queued on this one. So yeah, if we look right up here. There's mine, queued. This will be my bartender right here. Get the Grey Goose, hit it one more time. Yeah. Cranberry, another Grey Goose. Oh man. Right. There it is. That's kind of trippy there. So cool.
It's kind of stupid if you ask me.
Huh?
It's kind of stupid if you ask me.
That's stupid. What do you mean?
Taking somebody's job away.
It is taking somebody's job away. But it's a robot. It's so cool.
No, it is cool.
It is. It does. It takes,
Weird.
It does. It is weird. Takes a job with that. Let's see.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Is it stronger or no? Is
No.
it one part?
No. You know why though? That's because the bartenders here have an excellent pour. They hook it up anyway. So
Yeah.
even with the double,
Mhm.
it's same. Yeah. It's kind of cool though.
Yeah.
It's a neat novelty. But you're right. We shouldn't use it. Put people out of work.
Yeah, you won't let me use the self-checkout, but you'll get your self-checkout drink.
You can't use self-checkout. Put cashiers out of work.
Just like you're putting bartenders out of work.
I know. You know what? I'm gonna go help them stay in business. Let's go.
No.
Go to the bar. We'll go get 3 more
No.
because I use this. Here you go, guys. Check this out. This is what was just happening out here a few hours ago. That's crazy. And then now, nothing. Let's go check out the boardwalk. Boardwalk time.
Oh.
Not that side.
Oh, it feels good up here.
It's hot. Are you that cold?
I was freezing in there. It's so cold.
It's hot out here. The hot dog place is open. You want hot dogs for dinner? Let's go do Zoltar.
Why?
I don't know. Let's just do it. See what it does. Everybody like looks at it, but nobody's. I've never seen anybody do it.
I see you over there.
Yeah, you do.
I need one.
Come on over and let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune.
Oh, it's a fortune.
$2 for Zoltar.
Zoltar here. Listen to this, your fortune, for I tell you it is true. Provide Zoltar more treasure, and I will provide you with the depths of wisdom.
Really? What? You gotta pay him more money?
I am Zoltar, the great gypsy, and I can see your fortune. Come see it too.
Free.
Huh?
Should have been free.
That should have been free. That's why we ain't never seen anybody do that.
Yeah, we're the dum-dums.
I can't believe somebody actually did it. That was $2 for him to tell us to pay him more money? Yeah, guys, when you come here, don't do Zoltar.
Stupid.
That's stupid. Really? We didn't even get a card.
We ain't get nothing.
We didn't get a card. There's a slot for cards, but we had to pay more money.
It's stuck in there? There's paper right there.
I see the paper stuck, but he said you got to pay more.
No. Yeah.
Yeah. No.
Let's go over here.
Okay. All right. We're going to Sugar Beach. How much is the octopus?
I don't know.
Oh, he's probably $43.
No.
The big box is 43, so I'm sure he's just 42.
No, I don't know if he was. It doesn't say. He's about to fall, though.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, I could have guessed.
It's probably
42.
$42.
Oh, you can get a baby octopus. He's
Yeah.
even cuter. He's a mini one.
We got a lot of trolls, though.
I know. He's cute. Oh, I want this
Ice
one.
cream.
I want that one. How much is that? 42. Oh, look at these ones, Jason. Alex.
Yeah, he would. You guys torture your kids with stuff like this? Or are we just bad parents? It's fun.
Yeah.
Fun. All right, we're gonna see if the stores are open,
Yep.
and then grab our stuff, hairspray, and a ship, and then we're gonna head back up to the room, get ready, get some dinner attire on, and go to dinner. Hopefully those stores are open. All right, guys, you know how I get my little ships. I gotta get the big one, and it is $60. Yikes! What did you do? What did you do? All your info is on that side. Now you got a blank card.
Oh, man.
Oh, man. All right, let's get this hairspray.
Never mind.
You want to stop by guest services? We'll just stop by guest services.
Yeah, it's 5 o'clock, yeah.
Oops. Yeah, that's all on the. There's her info is all on this one. Now you got a blank card. All right, let's stop by there.
Okay.
All right, all set. Yeah, we're fixed again. Okay, so now back up to the room.
Good.
Get changed. Go to dinner.
Yeah.
Okay, we are back in the room.
We are.
We need to hurry up because we got like 15 minutes.
Oh,
Dinner time. But we're gonna hurry up, get ready for dinner. Oh, we did ask to get the cards punched if that's ever a concern for you.
yeah.
They don't do that anymore because of the chip.
Yep.
They said it interferes with the chip, so they don't punch cards anymore.
Nope.
So there's that.
There's that.
All right, we gotta hurry up and get ready. So that's what we're gonna do now, and then we'll head to dinner.